For this lab, you're going to conduct an experiment using the online tone generators by Mr. Znalski, and you're going to open two of them. Simply open the link on two different web pages and put together. And you're going to play the tones to really annoy people. So we're going to go to 440 hertz on both of these, which is A on the piano keyboard. And if I put one, there's going to be a delay here because my speakers go into energy saving and really annoying sound. So we're going to leave one at 440 hertz and we're going to play with another one. And we're going to swing it through the range of 430 to 450 hertz. Now to make this easy on yourself, you see how I put in 430 and 431? All you have to do on most spreadsheets is you somehow select, you grab that pip, and it'll go, oh, they were going at 1, and it'll start filling the, okay? But I'm going to try 439, all right? So I'm going to turn this one on. Hear those pulses? That's the beat frequency. The beat frequency is how many of those pulses do you hear per second. Now you can time these on your watch if you'd like, but with a single hertz difference, my beat frequency I heard was 1. And we changed from 440 by a value of 1. This one down here at 430, it changed from the original frequency by -10. All right? So that's what I mean by frequency differential. So the lowest you're going to go is you'll swing this one all the way down to 430 and play them both. How many times per second do you think that was happening and you put it here? So you're going to do that 20 times until your parents are going, stop it! Or the dog's howling, the cat's yelling. And that's your beat frequency experimental data. It's going to go in here. And again, the frequency differential, it's 9 and it's 8 because you're just comparing it to the original, and different just means subtracting. And once again, mousing over anything in here will give you a little bit more help.